Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a picture to black and white in Microsoft Word. Okay, so the first thing that you would need to do is to make sure to insert your image. So just go to Insert and then Picture and then choose your image. Right here, I have an image. So what you would need to do is just click on the image and then you are going to go to Format under Picture Tools, and then you're going to click on Contrast, and then click on Picture Correction Options, and then click on Recolor, and then you can choose Grayscale. And then there you have it. You have your picture in black and white. You can also play around with this contrast feature here to adjust your color scale as you need to. So just click on format and then you can make the necessary adjustments that you need to. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.